ChatGPT is OpenAI's AI-powered chatbot that answers questions and prompts in any format you request. It can carry out a human-like conversation or write various content such as articles, social media posts, essays, emails, and even code. ChatGPT, released in November 2022, is just one form of generative AI. The transformer pulls from a significant amount of data, or large language models, to formulate a response to requests. So no, ChatGPT is not sentient. Its responses come from the transformer predicting text, including the next word, sentence, or paragraph, based on the sequences of text it was trained on. ChatGPT so far has many entertainment, educational, and business use cases. It can write and debug code, write blog posts, script social media posts, summarize transcripts or podcasts, solve complex math problems, explain technical terms in a simple form, determine keywords for SEO, and the list goes on. But it's not always accurate, and at the time of this video, only uses data from